Alright, what's up, y'all? Carl, Jake here, Octane Freaks. We got an interesting video. We're moving up in our vlogging world. Maybe quick for others, right, Carl? I mean,
can't be quick enough for me.
Yeah, you're a quickie type person. Received a package today. We, instead of using our phones, or I was using my phone and Carl was using a GoPro, we invested in a new camera. Pretty excited about it. Trying to get our videos to be a little bit better for everybody.
Can I grab the box?
Why?
I want to grab the box.
Grab the box.
I want to grab the box.
He can grab the box. So for anybody interested in this, it's a video creator kit we found on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. It's a fairly good kit. It comes with multiple things. We will go through it, and I mean, we're not experts on any of this stuff, but we will learn as we go when we use it. You want to open it up, Carl?
I do.
You go right ahead.
I'm antsy. Alright, so what we got was a Canon M50. Right?
Yes, Canon M50 mirrorless camera. It came in this video creator kit, which is kind of cool. We opted for the higher... Carl, you can open that up. We opted for the better kit. Came with a Rode Video Mic Go, I believe. Let me check.
The good one. The big one.
No, it's not the best one, but it's a very good one.
Oh. It's better than the other one that we could have gotten.
Well, it's right here.
Yep.
Video Mic Go. I was right. And then Canon M50. Came with a nice backpack for the camera. Ooh, and a bunch of other goodies in here.
Yeah, what's in there?
Looks like we got a lens cleaning kit.
What are these?
Lens pen. This is also a tripod. One that looks like a little bit bigger than the one that this GoPro's sitting on.
And a nose cleaner. It came with a nose cleaner. It came with a nose cleaner.
You're funny.
Baby thinks I am.
I know. This wasn't with the kit. I had to buy it separate, but it is the Dead Cat Go. It's for the Video Mic Go. Put that on there. Don't get any wind.
Apparently the foam that comes on it isn't very good for like wind. Correct?
It's not meant for wind.
Right. It's just
this is what is used to block the wind.
Right.
The is probably cuts out all like the scratchy sounds or whatever. And then it came with close-up filter sets, lens filters, which we're not all that keen on using or familiar with, but we're definitely learning. I'm watching Think Media. Shout out to Think Media. Couple of memory cards.
Now with memory cards,
he says they're not good enough.
Well, I have been told that if you're gonna record in high def, that you want at least 100 meg cards. This comes with two 80 meg per second cards.
And if anybody knows any more information, leave comments, let us know.
So as of right now, I plan on getting 100 meg cards, because they're actually meant for recording high definition.
And it also comes with a big tripod.
Alright, so open the camera. See what else is in here.
Oh, and 2 battery packs as well.
Are you going to read this? That's a hell of a book.
It's not in English.
I learned by, well, flip it over.
Only the front pages, it's in multiple languages.
Oh, okay.
It also comes with digital downloads for Coral Paint Shop Pro X9 and Coral Video Studio X9, which I will play around with the Video Studio X9, or I guess both of them. But we do have Filmora that we use for our video editing, which is a very good budget-friendly video editor. I didn't even realize that it came with the Video Studio X9. It just showed the Paint Shop Pro. So I was very surprised when I saw that when I opened it up.
This thing came with 3 batteries, not 2.
I told you the camera comes with one.
Oh, I figured one of them would be one of those.
Hey, come here. Here's my buggy. He's in videos. Say hi, Maverick. Say hi. 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 Alright, go to mommy.
Alright, so the battery that comes with the camera is a 875 milliamp per hour battery. The 2 that come
1300
with it are 1300, so the ones that come with it will definitely last a significant longer period of time.
And the charger. Let me touch it. Now, for neither of us being experts with cameras,
we are learning
and
as we go.
me being a better person of trying to learn with YouTube, I talked Carl into let's do the M50.
Yep.
Because we will not need another camera for quite some time.
I hope you guys like the video. It's our first, I would say maybe not review, but it's a good creator kit. It's got everything anybody needs. It's maybe $100 more than the actual camera itself. So I highly suggest picking one up. If you're interested, like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. We will actually begin to vlog with this setup. So a couple of caveats on what's in the package is the backpack's not the greatest. It's kind of small. We want to be able to put everything in it, so I think we're going to pick up a different backpack for everything. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button, notifications, leave comments, like the video, and we will be bringing some extra content. More reviews are going to be coming too, so we're going to review some exhaust systems on my car, Carl's truck. My dad's truck's got Flowmaster on it, so we're going to do a review of that. I know it's really saturated doing exhaust reviews and exhaust clips, but hey, it helps every individual. I'm a very big person on searching for exhaust tones and being able to hear it with good microphones. So those are to come. We'll also do anything else that's car related in the future. So I can review tools if anybody wants to put in the comments. I mean, I'm a mechanic, so I have a big toolbox at work. I can review tools and let people know how they work, what the quality is, the price, all that jazz. So everybody have a good night, and thank you. Peace out. Octane Freaks.